In this video, we're going to look at some examples of the indefinite integral. So in example 1, there are three parts. So the first part, if we're given dy dx of some function is equal to 3, then find the function f of x. Okay, well, if we just take a look at that, I mean, it stands to reason if dy dx, you would think dy dx, the first derivative of some function was 3, well then we could assume that y or f of x function itself is 3 times x. That would be logical, because the first derivative of 3x is 3. Now let's just take a quick look at the second part of this question. Find dy dx of each of the following. Y equals 3x minus 6 and y equals 3x plus 2. So let's look at y equals 3x minus 6, and then dy dx is equal to 3. And the second one we had was y equals 3x plus 2, then dy dx is also equal to 3. So in some senses, we need to revisit the first part of this question, because there are many functions that will give us the dy dx equals 3. So what we really need to say is, in the first example, if dy dx equals 3, then y, or the function f of x, is 3 plus some constant. That can take any constant value. So the last part of that question is just writing that in terms of the integral. So the integral of 3 dx. We can say that the integral of 3 dx is indeed 3x plus some constant c. So integration is the inverse function of differentiation. Let's look at another example of the indefinite integral. So in this case, we want to find the indefinite integral. The integral of x squared minus 1 over x squared dx. So take a look at that. And the problem we have is it's an indefinite integral of x squared minus 1 over x squared. Now we're going to use the formula for x to the power of n. But before I can use that formula, I'm going to rewrite the problem. So I'll get my integral sign here. X squared is ready to integrate. Minus 1 over x squared we need to write in terms of minus x to the power of minus 2. We'll just put brackets there, dx. So integrating x squared, it's simply add 1 to the power, x cubed over 3. And we're going to have minus, and we're going to add 1 to negative 2 is the negative 1 divided by negative. So it's going to be x to the minus 1 plus some constant c. And then we'll just simplify that. X cubed over 3. Now minus minus becomes plus. Now I can rewrite this x to the minus 1 as 1 over x. And always add plus c because it's an indefinite integral. Okay, so maybe we go on and look at the third example. So the third example in this one, again, is to find the integral of 2 over 3x minus 1 minus cosine x dx. And again, this problem we can do using the formula in the formula book. So the first part was the integral of 2 over 3x minus 1. And that then it was minus cosine x dx. Again, this type of identity is in the formula book, 1 over a x plus b. So the integral of that will give me 2 over 3, and ln of the positive value 3x minus 1. Now cosine integrated goes to positive sine, so when we do minus cosine, it goes minus sine x plus c. So that's the final example for this video. Thank you for watching.